Today's lesson is superlative adjective. What is superlative? A superlative adjective is a form of an adjective used to compare three or more things. Here are the examples. By adding the suffix est. 1. She is the tallest person in the classroom. 2. Greater than that is the smallest hamster I have ever seen. By using the word most before adjective. What is the most dangerous animal in the world? This is the most challenging puzzle. Are you ready to play? You need to read the game's rules. Which country is the largest in the world? Russia, the USA, or China? The answer is Russia is the largest country in the world. Which is the fastest land animal? Tiger, panther, or cheetah? The answer is the cheetah is the fastest land animal. Which animal is the heaviest? Elephant, blue whale, or rhinoceros? The answer is the blue whale is the heaviest. Which material is the hardest in the world? Steel, gold, or diamond? The answer is the diamond is the hardest material in the world. Which planet is the coldest in the solar system? Uranus, Mars, or Jupiter? The answer is the Uranus is the coldest planet in the solar system. Which river is the longest? Amazon River, Nile River, or Mekong River? The answer is the Nile River is the longest. Which mountain is the highest? Everest, Himalayas, or Fuji? The answer is Mount Everest is the highest mountain. Which landmark is the oldest? Pyramids of Giza, Stonehenge, or Great Wall? The answer is Stonehenge is the oldest landmark. Which is the hottest? The sun, asteroid, or lava? The answer is the sun is the hottest. Which insect is the smallest? Ladybug, ant, or mosquito? The ant is the smallest insect. here is quiz for you.